Eat the grass. Hold on. You're a vegetarian dog. You're a real vegetarian. You find the grass and you eat it. You don't need meat. My dog is vegetarian, but he likes fish. Is that enough? You want more? Eat it then. It's a fresh. Fresh grass, you are. Because you are in lockdown. When it's lockdown, things is getting worse and worse. So you need fresh grass on top of your ready meals.